Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected professors, and my dear friends. We celebrate 79th year of independence. This day, 15th August of every year, is the golden day in the history of the world. We got freedom on this day, and it is the day worth of celebration. When we celebrate it, hosting the flag, playing our national anthem with passion, distributing sweets, with we indeed to sail back into the past to remember and pay homage to the builders of our nation. My dear friends, we were the privileged not to have been born in free India. We were able to breathe the fresh air since our birth. If at all we want to know the pangs of agony of being slaves under the foreign rule, we must ask our elders born before 1947. It was indeed a Himalayan task for every Indian those days to fight against those giants, the British rulers. We must not allow those hard times to fade away from our memories. Hence, it is benefiting us for to celebrate such national festival and recalling those heroic deeds of our nation. We remember them today, right from Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sarojini Naidu, Savitri Bai Phule, to the local patriotic leaders we owe our gratitude. When we regard those stones who laid their precious life for our sake, we must not ignore the common people who sacrificed their a lot for our good deeds. There were farmers, landlords, businessmen, teachers, writers, poets, and students who helped the land achieve the long cherished freedom. Today we have come a long way in the path of free India. We have proved ourselves worthy of freedom. We are the largest democracy in the world. How proud we are when Abhinav Bindra made our national flag flutter and Jana Gana Mana played at the background in Beijing. We were proud of it all and feel very happy about all these positive assets. We are very successful in using our freedom in the right manner. If so, why should there be so many bomb blasts, killings, attacks on government offices, cases against so many politicians and so many unstable governments? Well, my dear friends, what a student can do at his juncture? Should we go and catch the terrorists? Should we fight against the corporate politicians? Or should we take over the country in our hands and winding far for the freedom? No, we are not expected to do all those things. Well, we have our own day. We will our own day. Let us do our duty of preparing ourselves to be well-educated citizens of tomorrow. Today, we require youngsters with a lot of knowledge and energy. Illiteracy is the first enemy of democratic India, democratic nation. Let us get rid of illiteracy and take India to the bright future. जब हम अपनी सोच बुलंद रखेंगे, हमारा भारत बुलंद रहेगा. Thank you so much. Happy Independence Day to all. Jai Hind.